The reality of whole house water filtration in 2025 plumbing tips. We partnered with Halo because they have the best water filtration system that I've ever seen. I have tried other choices, and they really aren't the plumber's choice. Halo is. If you look at what Halo provides, how well it works, how long it's maintenance free, and the warranties behind it, that's why we partnered with Halo. But why does this really matter? Let's talk about what's in your water before it even reaches your faucet. Every single day, you use water for cooking, cleaning, bathing, and drinking. But do you actually know what's in it? Many homes receive water that has traveled through aging municipal pipelines, which can contain rust, sediment, even heavy metals. City water systems use chlorine and chloramines to disinfect water. Now, these chemicals help kill bacteria, mold, mildew, viruses, anything like that. But they also have a big impact on your home and your health. Chlorine can dry out your skin, weaken your hair, and leave your water with a chemical taste and an odor. That's when I realized I needed a water filtration system in my house. I was literally brushing my teeth one morning and I smelled chlorine so strong. And I decided right then and there, this is not good. I started doing research, and that's when I found out how bad chlorine really is for our bodies. So I started doing research on water filtration systems. Now, if you have sensitive skin or conditions like eczema, anything like that, it can even make that worse. Now, Halo provides highly filtered and conditioned water throughout your entire house. A lot of people don't realize we're not just removing chlorine and chemicals from drinking water. You absorb chlorine every time you take a shower, wash your hands, or even do laundry. In fact, your skin absorbs water just like a sponge does. We do a test where we literally put people's hands in water for a couple of minutes while we test the quality of the water in another cup. Then, after we're done with that, we test the cup of water that their hand was in. And guess what? There is no chlorine. Your body absorbs that chlorine. So at the end of the day, you can either buy a water filter or you can be the water filter. And you really don't want your body being what is filtering out the chlorine. But it's not just your body that suffers. Your appliances do too. Hard water, mineral buildup can shorten the lifespan of your water heater, dishwasher, and washing machine. The great thing about the Halo water filtration system is it prolongs the life of all your fixtures, your appliances, even your pipes, your plumbing system. Here's the thing. If you're running treated water through these appliances, they're going to last longer. You're going to get more value out of every dollar you spend just by having a whole house water filtration system. And that's because the Halo 5 doesn't just filter, it conditions your water too. It uses the Halo Ion inline water conditioner, which creates a multi-reversing polarity magnetic field to prevent scale buildup. How specifically does it do all this?
Science.
This isn't just a basic filter. It's a 5-stage filtration and conditioning system. But let's address some common myths about water filtration. Some people think that if their water treats their water, it must be safe. But just because it's treated doesn't mean it's clean. It means it meets the minimum requirements. Others believe that a simple faucet or fridge filter is enough, but those only filter your drinking water. What about the water you shower in or the water you're running through your dishwasher? And then there's the cost myth. Some people think whole house water filtration systems are too expensive, but in reality, it pays for itself. You'll spend less money on bottled water, avoid costly plumbing repairs, and get longer life out of each and every one of your appliances that has water going through it. One of my favorite things about Halo is that they come with a 10-year warranty. You know it's good when they give you a warranty like that. Here's the thing. I've installed other filtration systems before, but they really weren't the plumber's best choice. And to be honest, when I had problems, I contacted their rep. And he took my guys through almost a full week of troubleshooting before they finally sent another system for us to change it out. Then they didn't stand behind their product. They didn't stand behind their warranty. So we decided to find something new, and we started doing research. And Halo came out to be the very best product on the market that we could find. And I've got to tell you, when I installed the Halo water system at my house, I could see the difference immediately. A whole house water filtration system helps take care of the water going through every appliance, the water you cook with, the water you drink with, and the water you shower and bathe with. And with the 10-year warranty, basically 10 years where you don't have to do anything at all to the system. It makes it a no-brainer as to what is the real plumber's choice. For your water filtration system, there is zero maintenance. You set it and forget it. It backwashes itself. It does everything that it's supposed to do. And it comes with the right amount of carbon in it. You install it, you flush it. Like I said, you set it and forget it. You set the timer and it does the work. From there, you don't even have to do anything for it. And this is what makes Halo different from other systems. Most filtration systems require constant maintenance, replacing filters, adding salt, cleaning out residue. Halo, none of that. Now, we've made videos about how to install these. We teamed up here with Speaks Plumbing. Speaks Plumbing is a company that's right here in Garland, Texas, and has been here for about 40 years. Grant actually reached out to me and said, Roger, look, since I hear you speak about these water filtration systems, I want to know more about it. So what I did is teamed up with him to install the unit at his house. Now, Grant's a friend of mine. Grant is actually the one who got me into plumbing 45 years ago. Grant actually dug this hole himself. Now, I got to tell you, me and the plumbers that I have, we'd rather have a dig crew come out and dig it. That way we don't have to worry about it. But Grant went out, dug the hole, dug the trenches to put the drain line in, and did all the work himself except for installing the unit, and he did have his guys come out and do it. But his guys have been through the complete training. They understand everything that it takes to install a Halo water system properly. And believe it or not, guys, it's a very easy thing to do. I like the fact that they did a 3-valve bypass just like I did on mine, but you don't have to do that. The way Halo's designed, it's got its own bypass system built in, which to me just goes to show you Halo has put everything together on these systems to make them work right. If you want to see how to actually install a unit that is a little different than this one that requires no electricity or drain line, check out this video. And guys, if you've already subscribed to the channel and you haven't done it yet, ring the bell. That way you get notified every time we come out with a video like this. This is going to help you learn how to take care of your house yourself or your customers.